Hello everyone, good afternoon, and this is PiP Hunter here. The PiP must pay. So within the week, I think it was Tuesday, when I spoke to you guys about how to get multiple accounts and to be able to make more money within this year. All right, so I decided to record this video today to show you guys how you can actually do it effectively and make consistent money and get consistent payout. So at least if you follow this step by step and follow it well, you can make at least $10,000 before this year ends. Okay, so pay attention to this video. You can watch it as many times as you can to understand the concept, apply it well, and you are going to make consistent money, consistent payouts. All right, so this is how it goes. Now, you all know that these days I trade with HFT prop firms, and I have also told you guys that I'm trading only 1% a week. All right, so within the 21 days I make only 3% and I take payout. And I also told you guys we have to stack account, get multiple accounts. So this is how I'm going about mine, and my goal is to make 1 million funding before December 2024. So you also have you should get a target. How much account do you want to get before 2024 ends, and how much profit are you going to make from that? Okay, so for example, for myself, I am going with 200k account. I already have 150k, and I'm getting another 50k end of this month. So from February 1st to February ending, I am trading 200k account. Okay, and 3% of 200k is $6,000, which $3,000 will be given to me. All right, so you can also start with, let's say, 10k account, 25k, 50k, whatever account size you want to start with, you start with it. Right, so end of February, the payout you receive, you take some of the money to buy another account. Okay, so I'm using mine as an example. So end of February, end of April, I am buying another $150,000 account. Okay, and I'll be buying $150,000 every single month from April, end of April, or May 1st to December 1st. I'll be buying 150k account every single month. Some people will ask, okay, so you can't, there are some prop firms which has limit. You cannot buy more than 200k, you cannot buy more than 400k. So how are you going to go about that? And this is the plan. Now I have 3 different prop firms which I am going to buy accounts from. Already I have account with Kortana, and I'm going to buy from the Talented Trader, and also I'll get another account, Fast Forex Funding, or Quantec Markets. I'll buy from any of them. Okay, so if you exceed your limit, Kortana only accepts 200k. You cannot buy more than 200k. All right, so once you finish buying from Kortana, you can take you can use, let's say, your brother or sister, husband, wife, anybody. You can use their details to buy another account for yourself, whereby you have the details. You have the account to yourself. You only use their details, let's say their ID card or bank statement, anything to verify the account. But you are going to have total control of that particular account. Okay, now once you exceed that limit, you can go as many as you want. Okay, you can go as many as you want. But me, I want to get like 400k from Kortana. I get 400k from Talented Trader. Then I get 200k from Fast Forex Funding. All right, this is how I'm going to go about it. Total 1 million before the year ends. Okay, so if you also want to do this kind of thing, what you have to do is to be disciplined enough to make sure you are trading 1% a week. With this, you can always take payout. All right, you can always take payout, because now I have really understood how their system works, and I will do another video to show you their rules and how to overcome them in order to get payout upon payout upon payout. All right, so if you are buying the account, make sure you buy another account every day. So this is a reinvestment plan. Okay, let's say you have 10k account, and end of April you have you take a payout of $150 or $200. You can use same part of it to buy another 10k. Okay, so if you are going to buy 10k at the end of December, you are going to have like 90k or 80k, right? I think 80k, exactly 80k. That's not a small money. And if you are making 3% on 80k, which is around $2,000 or $1,500 or something, right? It's not bad. Okay, it's not bad. Consistently you'll be stacking up. But if you have the funds enough, you can go for 25k every single month. The last time on live, I did the calculation for you, and if you are buying 25k account every single month, end of December, you are taking a payout of $15,000 plus. All right, and if you want to buy 150k like myself, it means you are targeting 100,000 to 150,000 payout within from now till December. Okay, so the goal is to make 1% a week. Once you hit that target, close, come back the following week, trade 1%. Once you hit target, close, come back, trade 1%. All right, with this one, you are going to have a stress-free. All right, you are not going to stress yourself too much, and you are not going to get too much profit, which will scare them to pay you. They are going to pay. All right, so like I said, I will do another video to educate you people on how to go or how to skip their rules and get your payout. All right, so guys, this is what you have to do. If you want to do this, you can also message me, bro, I want to go with you, and then I will take your hand, then we all go together. All right, and I have 2 slots. I have 2 slots of people. If you want to go this journey with me, you see, I will use this laptop here to trade your account separately from my PC. All right, my accounts are on this, so I have 2 slots for 2 people. If you want me to manage your account for you whilst you are stacking up, just hit me and I will do that for you. All right, and the goal, I will trade 100k, so you are buying 100k every single month. You are buying 100k every single month, 100k every single month with the profit you are making. All right, so at the initial stage, you have only one account. You have only one account, and the profit you make, you use the profit to buy another account where you get 2. The profit that comes, you buy another account. The profit, you buy the profit. So by the time the year ends, you will be having at least 500k. And if you are making 3% on 500k, which is $15,000, right? Which is good money, bro. You can buy your banks, you can do whatever you wish to do. That's your business. Okay, so guys, thank you all for listening. If you don't understand anything, just hit me on Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram, everywhere, and I'll gladly assist you. All right, so this is PiP Hunter here, and the PiP must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well, because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It's only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. So until then, I'll see you in another video, and have a nice day.